Yo, it's your bar with a video. If you want to increase your grip strength and get bigger biceps, doing this exercise will benefit you. It's called the Zottman curl, and this exercise will target two muscles in one exercise. This will be targeting your bicep and then your forearm. So I'm going to show you how to do the Zottman curl. So I'm going to be using 10-pound dumbbells, but you should be using higher weight than this. I'm just using 10-pound dumbbells to show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is basically like if you were doing a curl, bicep curl, a standard bicep curl, you just curl straight up. But instead of just going straight down and extending, you're going to go straight up, and then instead of having your palms just facing you, you're going to turn your palms facing out and then control down. And when you turn your palms facing out like this, you'll be targeting your forearms, which play a huge role if you want to increase grip strength. This exercise will benefit some athletes, especially wrestlers, because you need a lot of grip strength in that sport. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. This video right here is what YouTube thinks you should watch next. Peace.